Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me show you my version of this amazing egg curry. Come on. I have taken boiled eggs and we will season them first for that extra flavor. Now you can add red chili powder as per your taste. Just toss them lightly to coat all over. Let's keep these aside for a while and we will go ahead and make the curry. Fresh garlic will add a nice flavor to the final dish. Sauté just for a few seconds. Now we will cook the onions and tomatoes, adding salt for quick cooking and until the oil separates. Do you see it? Chickpea flour is for thickening the curry eventually. Give it a good mix and break any lumps. We will go ahead and season this curry with some spices. Just a pinch of cinnamon powder, a pinch of cardamom powder, and just one clove does the magic. Mix well, adding a little water at first and let the spices blend with each other. Now we will add hot water and adjust the water as per consistency desired. My family likes more curry with the rice. You can also have a thick curry and add little water. Now give it a good mix and cover and cook for a few minutes. Can you see? This curry has thickened a bit. In go the seasoned eggs and mix again. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button for such yummy recipes I post every week. I'm adding coconut milk for a nice creamy curry, but it's totally optional. Fresh grated ginger and we are almost done. Try to crush the kasuri methi as much as possible. A final garnish and we are good to go. Try this amazing egg curry and post your comments below. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next week for more such tasty recipes. Until then, bye.